Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohan Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make three-phase motor with terminal block for automatic connection wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 4-pole MCB circuit breaker, overload and contactor, terminal block, motor, flowmeter, water tank. First phase connection to MCB, second phase connection to MCB, third phase connection to MCB, neutral connection to MCB. First phase connection from MCB to connect contactor, second phase connection from MCB to connect contactor, third phase connection from MCB to connect contactor, neutral connection from MCB to connect contactor coil connection. Another phase connection to overload, output connection from contactor to connect terminal block, output connection from overload to connect terminal block, output connection from terminal block to connect flow meter, another neutral connection from terminal block to connect flow meter, another connection between terminal block to terminal, output phase connection from overload to motor, second phase from overload to motor, third phase from overload to motor, earthing connection input to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.